Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to my channel Technical DHSN. In this video we will learn how to add background video, and the second thing is how to add caption on your videos. Caption means text or voice. In the video what you will speak, that AI generator will automatically write in your language. You can choose different languages also for translating auto captions. So let's start the procedure. First of all, open CapCut application and new project. Here select a video that you want to keep in the background. So add it. This is our background video, and now here you can add your video. So tap on overlay, add overlay, and here I have already recorded a short video. So now I am adding. As you see, with two fingers you can zoom it and fix the size. Okay, now here let me play this video so you will know that this video don't have a caption. Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn how to add caption in your video. Caption means now text or okay. Now let's add the caption over this video. For that purpose, tap on the back arrow. Now again tap on the back arrow and here select text and here select auto caption. As you can see in the corner, if you click on the English and then after the arrow, so you will find multiple languages. You can translate your language in these all languages. The AI will generate text in these all languages which you select. Okay, now go back. I want to select English, so for that purpose you can choose the style of translate also. Like I am choosing the style of tap on the start. The process will be start. Wait until the process is complete. Okay, the caption has been ready. Let's play the video so you can better understand. Assalamu alaikum friends, and as you can see, this is a caption. Now you can resize it, you can zoom it. Welcome to my channel. As you can see, what in this video we will learn how to. You can see that in the video what I am speaking, the AI generator has been writing that. Add caption in your video. Caption means text or voice. So with this method you can attract more viewers and more audience, and your video will be complete video for watching, and you can grow your YouTube channel. So this was a short video about how to add background video and how to add captions on your videos. I'm sure guys this video will be very helpful for your YouTube videos. So make sure that you have liked this video. Subscribe my channel for more informative and technical videos. You can check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of technical videos, and press the bell icon so you will not miss notification of my new uploaded videos. Take care guys, until the next video.